Hello, this is Andrew Rolstone, Head of Investor Relations for Evareium. Thank you very much for everybody who has joined our Telegram channel and is showing interest in learning more about the Evareium project and the investment opportunity that we present to you. For all of you who have recently joined and haven't had the chance to go through all of our information, in summary, Evareium is a security tokenized offering. What this means in short is by being an EVM token holder, you will be entitled to dividends which are generated from the profit that the assets that we own and manage on behalf of our investors. Okay, so it's a very lucrative market which we're going into, and the profits that we expect to generate from the opportunity that we're bringing to this market are absolutely fantastic. The ICO is going well. We're concentrating extensively on private investment, and we expect to secure some large-scale investment, which will allow us to effectively purchase our first assets. Now, it's really important that we secure these assets as swiftly as possible, because as per our roadmap, EVM is an asset-backed security. Now, when this does occur, all early investors will see the benefits of this. So the ICO is still live. By all means, start talking to people about the Evareium opportunity because the clock is ticking, as you can see. But I just really want to, the purpose of this video really is because I've noticed on the Telegram channel, there's been lots of questions being asked, when are the tokens being distributed? Evareium we set this ICO up differently to other ICOs in the sense that by registering on the website, by creating your own dashboard, by doing your own KYC, you will be able to buy EVM tokens and receive EVT tokens, which is our secondary token, which is coming online in the not so distant future. So you'll have immediate access to your tokens. It's not like participating in another ICO where you send ETH to the following address and then you have to wait a month or sometimes longer to receive your tokens. No, here by registering and sending your ETH and the BTC, and I'll give a short demonstration in terms of how to do that, you'll have immediate access and immediate record of how many tokens you purchased. Now, you can't actually send those tokens until after the ICO, so everything has to remain within the dashboard, but after the ICO, you will be able to do so. So by sending it to a new address, or to one of the exchanges that we're going to be on in the near future. So for anyone who does invest, like any sensible investor, you have to do your own research. The website has been built to really summarize the model, summarize what Evareium is all about, summarize our objectives in disrupting the real estate investment model, and to get a good overview into including the token mechanics and so forth. Okay, so that should be stage one: review of the website and also review of information that we've released in the media. And once you've done that, you can access the commercial white paper here and also the technical white paper here. Okay, so once you've done that, and once you feel really compelled by the offering that we bring to you, and you think, right, I'm really interested in this, I would like to invest in this ICO. The minimum contribution is 1 Ether or 0.1 BTC. For any companies or high net worth investors who wish to invest in fiat, you would need to contact me directly via Telegram. My Telegram handle is Rolling Stone, or you can email me at andrew.evareium.io, and I'll be able to explain to you the onboarding process specific to private investors or fiat. Okay, but going back to contributing in either ETH or BTC, process is quite simple. Firstly, click on here, invest in EVM. Just move the window, and then you'll come to this window. Type in your first name, surname, email address, whether you represent an individual or company, put in your password, acknowledge that you're not a robot. Okay, before accepting terms and conditions, we recommend for everybody to review the terms and conditions. It's a detailed document, outlines the company registration details and general information specific to what is being presented to you. So you've had a read of that. I'm happy. Close this window. And then I acknowledge terms and conditions, and I'm presented with this window. So I'm located in the United Arab Emirates, so this disclaimer is specific to the country where I'm based. If I'm in another location, you'll notice here, this is written specific to the United Kingdom. If I write on here, click on here, this one is specific to Uzbekistan and so on. Okay, so click on the country which is relevant to yourself, read the disclaimer, and if you're happy and you'd like to proceed, click on here, and then you can submit. And then once you've done that, you can then access your dashboard. So I've done this previously, so I'm about to log into my dashboard now. I'm now presented with this. Now, as a new user, the next stage would actually be to complete your KYC process. You know your customer. The reason why this is important, as I mentioned, Evareium is an asset-backed security token offering. So with any security token offering, a KYC is required. So if you're not prepared to provide your KYC details, I'm sorry, but Evareium is a project that's not for you. But if you've got no problems with doing that, you'd have to go through the KYC process by way of going through the process, uploading your passport and uploading your proof of address, and then submit the button. And once you've submitted, you can actually contribute ETH and BTC straight away. You know, you don't have to wait 1 week, 2 weeks for the KYC to come back. You can actually do it straight away, but please note the tokens won't show in your dashboard until the KYC has been approved, and you'll be able to see the status of your KYC here. So it was read here, KYC status is submitted, and once it's been approved, your KYC status has been approved. Okay. But to contribute, to really get an idea in terms of what the tokens, what the exchange rate is, for 1 Ether, based on today's ratio, you'll get 616.275 EVM per 1 Ether, and for 1 BTC, you get 9,729 EVM tokens for 1 BTC, and here is the ratio here for BTC, and the same for ETH as well. This is to acknowledge what my personal allocation is. I am an investor in EVM, so I'm a true believer, big supporter of Evareium. So just for transparency, I do have skin in the game, despite being a core member of the team. And here you'll see I've got 26,521 EVM tokens, and I've also got $15,913 worth of EVT credited to my account. The reason why I'm saying dollars worth is because EVT is our secondary token. It's going to be created in the next month or so, as per a roadmap. Now, because it doesn't exist yet, we actually haven't communicated the token price or the volume of the EVT token. So irrespective of the price of EVT, I am entitled to $15,913 worth of EVT tokens as per my contribution to investing in the EVM. And this is the total amount of tokens which have been sold. This is going to go up drastically, subject to us finalizing some private investment, which, all being well, will be concluded in the next few weeks. I'm delighted to say that we have received significant high net worth investor interest, real estate investment investors who are very keen to come into the Evareium model, because we offer them an opportunity like they've never had before to invest into the real estate asset class and effectively exit. The exit is really important to mention, because in the traditional sense, the exit can be a 5-year, 10-year lock-in. With Evareium, that doesn't apply. So you can actually invest in the real estate investment asset class, benefit from generating the dividends that come from the assets that we manage on behalf of our clients. And should you wish to exit from your investment, you can do. Click of a button. So this is one of the reasons why we're generating significant interest from the traditional space. And for any investor who comes in now, you'll certainly see the benefit of this further down the line. Okay, but yeah, so I'm now ready. I want to invest. I want to send some Ether. So what I do here, I choose either Bitcoin or Ether. But in this case, I want to send Ether. Buy with crypto. And I can manually say, how many tokens I actually want to buy. So I want to buy $5,000. So I want to get 5,000 EVM tokens. Actually, I've made an error there. Sorry. I'm going to send 10 ethers in. Okay. I want to buy 10 ethers worth of EVM. And what I'll be getting for that, I'll be getting 6,162.75 EVM tokens, and I'll also be getting $1,594 worth of EBT tokens completely free. Okay, and I would now like to make the investment. And when I do this, an Ethereum code will come up. Okay, now I'm sure everybody knows how to send Ether to an address. So you get this unique code that will come up, and I would now send my 10 Ether to this wallet. That's it. That is a demonstration in terms of how to use our dashboard and how to participate in Evareium's ICO, where not only would you be getting EVM tokens, you'd also be getting EBT tokens completely free of charge. Any further questions, like you touched on earlier, if you're a private investor and you would like to participate using fiat, please contact me directly, either via Telegram at Rolling Stone or via email at andrew@evareium.io, or any member of the team, Stefan or Mark in particular, who are senior members of the Evareium project. Thanks very much, guys. Thank you very much for your time, and thank you for showing support for the Evareium project.